Hi, welcome to another episode of Coffee with Cliff. Today we're in the Dale Bard new training area and we're going to talk a little bit about thermostats. We're going to be talking about very simple thermostats today. These would be thermostats used with one heat, one cool products like a very simple WA series wall mount. And today we use the T4 series, which is a very simple product. It doesn't have a lot of features, but is very simple to use. So this product is what we use today, but we're going to be migrating over to a new product called the Focus Pro N100 series. So this is the N100 series, and we're going to be concentrating on this today and how it compares to the T4 series. All right, here's a look at the T4 series that we currently sell, and this is a look at the Focus Pro N100. As you can see, the T4 series is more of a squarish appearance. The N100 is more of a rectangular appearance, but they're very similar in design. If we look at how these connect, they all use the same type of a terminal block where you can wire in your wires. So these open up like this. You can switch for Bard products. It would always be one wire, and you can see we've got it set to one wire here. It also gives you a nice guide as far as how long your wires are. And this same terminal block is used in both the Honeywell T4 product, and it's also used in the Focus Pro product. So really, you can take your old thermostat off the wall if it's a T4 and use the new Focus Pro N100 in its place without doing any of the wiring necessary. You can use the same terminal block that's mounted in the wall using 3 screws. Here we can see the T4 and the N100 together along with the mounting plates that go on the wall. So the T4 came with a rectangular mounting plate in the box. It also came with the terminal block, and it came with some mounting screws and also some instructions. So the N100 is going to be the thermostat itself, along with another faceplate for the wall to cover any existing holes from an existing thermostat. And it's also going to come with the same terminal block design that the T4 did, along with your mounting screws. Let's take a look at the N100 itself. You can see up here we've got what mode it's in, which right now it's set for auto. We've got fan, which the fan is on. This is the room temperature. So this is the temperature that the thermostat is seeing in the room. It also has the thermostat set points over in the corner. And then down here it will tell you what mode of operation it's in, which right now it's calling for cooling. So that's a basic look at the front screen. If we go into mode, we can switch between cool, heat, auto, or off. So auto was a feature that the T4 that we talked about earlier didn't have. We can also go into the fan setup and we can do circulation, auto, or on. So those are our options for fan. Now when you first get your thermostat and you fire it up, it's going to go through a setup procedure, and you can look at the instructions on how to set the thermostat up. But remember, this is only a one heat, one cool product. So this would be ideal for an air conditioner that has one stage of electric heat. Other two-stage products or 2 stages of electric heat, this would not be a good solution. So let's talk about battery replacement. If we flip the thermostat over, you're going to see we have 2 AA batteries. The batteries hold the time and date setting if the power is lost. Let's talk next about wiring in your Bard unit to the thermostat. This is the terminal block that ships with the thermostat, and we're going to open it up and look at the connectors. So we talked about this being a one-wire system. So typical Bard products, you're going to flip this switch up so that it's on the one-wire setting. And what that means is it's not a system with 2 transformers. There's only 1 transformer in the product. So you're only going to have one 24-volt hot wire, which is R. Up here we have W, which would be your heat input. We also have a common over here, which is the C. We have G for fan, and we have Y for cooling operation, or operation of the compressor. You can see there are a lot of terminals in here that are white. Those are not used with this product. So the darkened terminals are the ones that we're going to be using to insert the wires into. And if we turn it on its side, you can see that these, when they're depressed, we can then put the wire in on this side. So we'll depress the terminal, put the wire in from this side, so all your wires will go through this main hole and get inserted into the proper terminals. Always make sure that you mark these wires going from your barred unit to the thermostat so that you know which color or which numbered wire is going into each terminal at the unit and the thermostat. So that concludes another episode of Coffee with Cliff, talking about the new N100 thermostats, the old T4 series thermostats, how they compare with each other, and what you can expect with the new thermostat as far as features and functionality. There's more information on both of these thermostats on our website at www.barredhvac.com. So feel free to go there, look these products up, get to know them, and how they apply to your barred product.